Hey, YouTube, I was about to play another, smooth sailing gameplay. I was thinking about putting a Battlefield, but it was just wasn't good enough, so I didn't do it. And I decided to do another smooth sailing because, it's pretty fun. Pretty fun. Blacklist is fun all the way around. It's a good game. I would highly recommend it if you're thinking about getting it. So, yeah. I actually thought it came out this year, but I was pretty wrong. It came out last year. It came out last year. And I'm getting my game recording device in a little bit so you don't have to withstand this terrible quality. And you have to adjust my camera. The problem is that I thought I was going to be using a game recording device when I first started, but then I decided that, I needed to get the channel started. I was slacking off, and I needed to use something, so I decided to use my phone. Like everybody, like a couple of us, when I say us, I mean the new community. And, alright. So, let's get to it. This is survival. I keep on forgetting about this. I really don't want to do it, but I'm going to do it anyways. I think it gives a lot of money. Yeah, I think it gives you a lot of money. I'm going to try to go stealthy because it's smooth sailing, There they go. Boom, 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 boom. Somebody was bound to see me. I gotta get a laptop. There's a laptop somewhere over here. Maybe if I can grab, I can just use my vector. There will be a Far Cry gameplay when I get my game recording device. I'll start a whole new series with that. I'll restart everything. Same thing with Minecraft. Those are the two easiest games I can just start off with. Now watch this. Oh, headshot. I'm trying to go. I'll try to go up there. Oh shit. Got it. Ooh. See that? Double headshot. Double headshot. I never got one of those before. Usually just one, I get a head, one bullet directly to the head, they won't even die. It's so annoying. What is this? What's route? You have an option to extract after every 5 rounds. I think I'll extract in the next 5 rounds. Let's go loud, it's about to end. Boom, boom. Drop down. That concludes our video for today. Like, subscribe, and I'll get my game recording device sometime. I don't know.